This is Sapphire Hair Mask by AIIR, and it's AIIR. This was given to me by a really good friend of mine named Sarah. She's a professional hairdresser, and she's amazing. And she was like, Amy, you gotta try this for your hair. Because she was like, she's actually giving me this best head massage one night, and she's just like my hair is like really kind of straw, and it really needed a good mask. So she wanted me to try this out. All of their products from AIIR, which I find really interesting, they all have actual gemstones in them that actually correlate. Like, so they've got, this is a sapphire hair mask. So sapphire is really good and nutritious for the hair. It's got some really good minerals in there for your hair. All of the packaging, it's like you can feel the packaging. I want to say that it feels like the packaging that's been pulled from the ocean. There's this like place on the Pacific Ocean where you've got like all this trash and garbage that just kind of collects, and a ton of plastic that really hurts our sea life. And when they pull that plastic, they can pull that plastic and recreate it into packaging. So I almost think she does that because it feels like that packaging. I'm not sure, but I do know that she's very, very eco-friendly. Nothing's tested on animals. Everything is completely cruelty-free, and of course, you know, a very low footprint, because she really cares about the earth, and it's female owned. Yay, go women. Anyway, it makes my hair feel amazing. So yeah, I love it. It doesn't take very much. You only use like a tiny bit. It's pretty cool. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I use it every time I wash my hair. So awesome.